Based on the proposal by MP Westcott, it is regulated in Article 52 that before the start of a deliberation on a subject, Parliament may, on the proposal of the President or that of 3 members present in the meeting hall, impose rules regulating the duration of speeches of the members. Now, what's ambiguous is when to add it. So what I would like to suggest is that we discuss this in the next faction leaders meeting to deliberate that. I will now honor also the request by MP Westcott Williams to add as an agenda point for the Mullet Bay inquiry to come into Parliament to do a presentation and provide us with an update. But let's first go over to MP Bryson's request. And I note before I adjourned, one members of Parliament request Hope to look at stemming. So let's go to that, and I'll choose a number. The number is 14. Any member of Parliament wish to have the floor for motivation before we proceed with the voting? MP Westcott Williams.
Thank you, Madam Chair Lady. Madam Chair Lady, your reference does not completely / sufficiently cover the point that I have been making and I made. Madam Chair Lady, my reason for highlighting a proposal that I have at Parliament, for Parliament to decide that it is about time that we get some type of account from the Inquiry Committee Mullet Bay. But Madam Chair Lady, I cannot support that it be added to the agenda for the simple reason that Article 52 does not cover what we're talking about here right